Kavali is a small town nestled along the southeastern coast of India. This quaint town is often overlooked by travelers, but it holds a charm that is hard to find elsewhere. The town's serene environment, coupled with its picturesque landscapes, makes it a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Kavali's coastal location provides it with a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. The town is not just a place, it's an experience that leaves a lasting impression on anyone who visits. Situated in the state of Andhra Pradesh, it holds a unique geographical importance. Andhra Pradesh is known for its diverse landscapes, ranging from lush green fields to rugged mountains and pristine beaches. Kavali, being a part of this state, shares this diversity. The town is strategically located, making it a significant spot for both historical and modern-day travelers. Its proximity to the Bay of Bengal has played a crucial role in shaping its history and culture. The town sits between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats, a mountain range rich in biodiversity. This unique positioning offers a variety of landscapes, from sandy beaches to lush green hills. The Eastern Ghats are home to numerous species of flora and fauna, making the region a biodiversity hotspot. The mountains not only add to the scenic beauty of Kavali, but also provide a natural barrier that has historically protected the town from invasions. This location provides Kavali with a diverse landscape and a rich cultural heritage. The town is a melting pot of various cultures, traditions, and histories. Festivals in Kavali are celebrated with great enthusiasm, reflecting the town's vibrant cultural tapestry. The local cuisine, arts, and crafts are a testament to the town's rich heritage. Visitors can immerse themselves in the local culture, experiencing the warmth and hospitality of the people. The town acts as a gateway between the coast and the inland regions. This strategic location has made Kavali an important hub for trade and commerce over the centuries. The roads and pathways connecting Kavali to the inland regions are not just routes of travel, but also conduits of cultural exchange. The town has always been a meeting point for different cultures, ideas, and traditions, enriching its own cultural fabric in the process. Its history is intertwined with the ebb and flow of the sea. The coastal location has influenced every aspect of life in Kavali, from its architecture to its daily routines. The ancient buildings and monuments stand as silent witnesses to the town's rich history. The sea has always been a source of livelihood for the people of Kavali, shaping their way of life and their traditions. The ebb and flow of the sea waves are a constant reminder of the town's enduring connection to the ocean. Kavali experiences a tropical climate, characterized by warm temperatures and distinct seasons. The town enjoys plenty of sunshine throughout the year. The monsoon season arrives in late summer, bringing with it life-giving rains. These rains nourish the land and sustain the agricultural activities that are central to Kavali's economy. The coastal location ensures that the humidity remains relatively high year-round. Agriculture plays a vital role in Kavali's economy. This small town, nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, is a testament to the rich agricultural heritage of India. The people of Kavali have been farming for generations, and their expertise is evident in the lush green fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. The fertile land surrounding the town is ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. The soil here is rich in nutrients, and the climate is perfect for growing everything from rice to vegetables. The farmers of Kavali take great pride in their work, and it shows in the quality of the produce they grow. Rice, the staple food of the region, flourishes in the irrigated fields. The irrigation systems in Kavali are a marvel of engineering, ensuring that the crops get the right amount of water at the right time. This careful management of resources is one of the reasons why Kavali's rice is so highly prized. Farmers also grow lentils, pulses, and a variety of vegetables. These crops not only provide food for the local population, but are also sold in markets across the region. The diversity of crops grown in Kavali is a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of its farmers. Coconut palms dot the landscape, their fruit providing both food and raw materials. The coconuts are used in a variety of ways, from cooking to making coir products. The versatility of the coconut makes it an invaluable resource for the people of Kavali. The agricultural practices are often traditional, passed down through generations. These time-honored methods have been refined over the years, combining the wisdom of the past with modern techniques. This blend of old and new ensures that Kavali's agriculture remains sustainable and productive for future generations. The local markets in Kavali are a vibrant hub of activity, where farmers come to sell their produce. These markets are not just places of commerce, but also social gathering spots where people exchange news and stories. The sense of community here is strong, and it is this community spirit that helps sustain the agricultural way of life in Kavali. The involvement of the entire family in farming activities is a common sight in Kavali. Children learn the ropes from a young age, and women play a crucial role in managing vegetable gardens and other farm tasks. This collective effort ensures that the knowledge and skills needed for successful farming are passed down through the generations. As the sun sets over the fields of Kavali, farmers return home, tired but satisfied with the day's hard work. The rhythm of life here is closely tied to the land, and the people of Kavali take great pride in their agricultural heritage. It is this deep connection to the land that makes Kavali a true bounty of the land. Kavali is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. Nestled in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, this region is a living testament to the wonders of nature. The forests here are a vibrant mosaic of life, where towering trees stretch towards the sky, their leaves whispering secrets to the wind. Beneath the canopy, a rich undergrowth teems with life, from the smallest insects to the most elusive mammals. The flora in Kavali is incredibly diverse, with each plant playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. The fauna is equally impressive, with a variety of species coexisting in harmony. This delicate balance is a reminder of the intricate web of life that sustains our planet. The coastal plains are characterized by scrub forests and mangrove swamps. These unique ecosystems are vital for the health of our planet. The scrub forests, with their hardy vegetation, are adapted to the harsh coastal conditions, providing shelter and food for numerous species. The mangrove swamps, with their intricate root systems, act as natural barriers against coastal erosion and storm surges. They also serve as nurseries for many marine species, offering a safe haven for young fish and crustaceans. The coastal plain vegetation is a testament to nature's resilience, thriving in an environment where land meets sea. These ecosystems provide habitats for a variety of bird species, including kingfishers, herons and egrets. The sight of a kingfisher diving into the water, its vibrant plumage flashing in the sunlight, is a sight to behold. Herons, with their graceful movements, wade through the swamps in search of food, while egrets, with their striking white feathers, add a touch of elegance to the wetlands. These birds are not just beautiful to look at, they play a crucial role in maintaining the health of the ecosystem by controlling insect populations and dispersing seeds. Inland, the Eastern Ghats are home to larger mammals such as deer, wild boar and leopards. The rugged terrain of the Eastern Ghats provides a perfect habitat for these animals. Deer, with their keen senses and agile movements, navigate the forest with ease, while wild boars, with their powerful build, forage for food in the undergrowth. The elusive leopard, a symbol of strength and grace, prowls the forest in search of prey. These mammals are an integral part of the ecosystem, playing a key role in maintaining the balance of nature. The region's biodiversity is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Each species, no matter how small, has a role to play in this intricate web of life. The plants and animals of Kavali are interconnected in ways that we are only beginning to understand. This biodiversity is not just important for the health of the ecosystem, it also provides valuable resources for humans, from medicinal plants to food sources. Protecting this biodiversity is crucial for the well-being of our planet and future generations. Kavali's rich tapestry of life is a reminder of the beauty and complexity of nature and the importance of preserving it for future generations. Water is essential to life in Kavali. The town is situated near several rivers and lakes, which provide irrigation for agriculture and sustenance for the local population. Fishing is also an important economic activity, with fishermen venturing out into the Bay of Bengal to catch a variety of fish and crustaceans. The Uputera River, flowing through the region, is a lifeline for many villages. Kavali's coastal location makes it a gateway to several natural attractions. Just a short distance from the town lies Pulicat Lake, India's second-largest brackish water lagoon. This lake is a haven for migratory birds, attracting birdwatchers from across the globe. The nearby beaches, with their golden sands and clear blue waters, offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Life in Kavali moves at a slower pace. The town retains a rural charm with its traditional houses, bustling markets and friendly locals. The air is fresh and the pace of life is relaxed. However, like many other parts of India, Kavali is experiencing the effects of urbanization. New industries are being established and the population is growing. The challenge for Kavali, as with many growing towns, is to balance progress with preservation. The influx of new residents and industries brings economic opportunities, but it also puts a strain on the town's resources and environment. it is important to ensure that development is sustainable and that the natural beauty of the region is protected for future generations. Kavali, with its coastal charm, agricultural heritage, and rich biodiversity, offers a glimpse into a way of life that is rapidly disappearing. Despite the challenges of urbanization, the town retains a timeless appeal. It is a place where nature still holds sway and where the rhythms of life are dictated by the seasons.